The money habits keeping you poor, and how to break them. Imagine earning twice as much money as you do today. Would your financial problems disappear? Most people think the answer is yes. But here's a shocking truth: many people who earn more money still struggle financially. Why? Because income doesn't determine wealth. Habits do. In fact, some habits quietly keep people trapped in financial stress for years, sometimes for life. Today, we're going to uncover the biggest money habits keeping people poor and, more importantly, how to break them. Stay until the end because the last habit is the most dangerous of all. Part 1: Spending first, saving later. One of the most common financial mistakes is this: people spend what's left after saving. Wealthy people save before spending. Think about it. Most people receive their income and immediately pay for entertainment, shopping, dining out, upgrades, then they try to save whatever remains. Usually, very little remains. Successful wealth builders reverse the process. They pay themselves first. The moment income arrives, a portion goes toward savings, investments, assets, only then do they spend the rest. This single habit can completely change your financial future. Part 2: Living to impress others. Have you ever noticed how some people buy things they don't need to impress people they don't even like? It's more common than you think. Many people spend money on luxury brands, expensive gadgets, status symbols, not because they truly need them, but because they want validation. The problem? Wealth often becomes invisible. A person driving a luxury car may be deeply in debt. Meanwhile, a wealthy investor may drive an ordinary vehicle while quietly building assets. The wealthy focus less on appearance and more on ownership. They would rather own investments than impress strangers. Part 3: Not tracking money. Imagine running a business without tracking income or expenses. It would be chaos. Yet that's exactly how many people manage their personal finances. They don't know how much they spend, where their money goes, what habits are costing them, and what isn't measured rarely improves. One of the simplest wealth habits is awareness. Track your spending for just 1 month. You may be shocked by how much money disappears through small daily decisions. Wealth begins with awareness. Part 4: Depending on one source of income. This habit is especially dangerous. Many people rely entirely on a single paycheck. If that paycheck disappears, everything becomes unstable. The wealthy often build multiple streams of income. Examples include investments, side businesses, digital products, dividends, freelancing. Why? Because multiple income streams create resilience. If one source slows down, others continue working. Financial security isn't just about how much you earn. It's about how many ways you can earn. Part 5: The case study. Let's compare two people. Sarah and David. Both earn exactly the same income. Sarah spends first and saves later. She upgrades her lifestyle whenever she gets a raise. She doesn't track spending. She relies on one income source. David saves first. He tracks his money. He invests consistently. He builds a small side business. After 10 years? David isn't necessarily working harder. He's simply following better financial habits. The gap between them becomes enormous. Not because of income. Because of behavior. Part 6: The most dangerous habit. Now let's discuss the habit that causes the most damage. Waiting. Waiting for more money, better timing, more knowledge, the perfect opportunity. Years pass. Nothing changes. Here's the reality: most wealthy people didn't start when conditions were perfect. They started before they felt ready. Small actions today are worth more than perfect plans tomorrow. The longer you wait, the more opportunity you lose. The wealth replacement plan: replace these poor habits with these wealth habits. Instead of spending first, save first. Instead of impressing others, build assets. Instead of guessing, track money. Instead of relying on one income, build multiple streams. Instead of waiting, start today. Simple. Not easy. But life-changing. Finally, most financial success comes from habits. Not luck. Not secrets. Not shortcuts. The habits you repeat today become the results you live tomorrow. So ask yourself, which money habit is costing you the most? Because identifying the problem is the first step toward building wealth. If you found this valuable, subscribe for more content on money, business, investing, and financial freedom. And remember, wealth isn't built by what you earn. It's built by what you consistently do with what you earn. Which habit do you think hurts people the most? Spending first, lifestyle inflation, relying on one income, or waiting too long? Don't forget subscribing, WisdomTube, hit like and share for your friends.